I'll pick up this drop over here.
We
and
couldn't
then,
have asked for a better spot.
and a level 60? Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Oh man. What I'm doing for the next hour and a half.
Did they change the metal rocks again, that color?
No.
They all seem to do it.
I don't see any fucking metal rocks.
I've gotten. Oh, teardown saddle, carbonadium saddle. Nice, got a new teardown saddle.
Oh, you went to that drop?
Yep, teardown saddle.
Okay, so what are we doing? Am I staying here watching?
How come I can't move?
Are you too heavy?
I am. See what have I got on me? I got wood. Drop.
I guess I should put my armor back on.
Nah.
Thought I was gonna have to sacrifice myself.
For the sacrifice.
Did you take all my gear?
Don't think I did.
Oh, you didn't. I never took it off. Thank God.
So we know that they can't swim up past there, so we can swim out to that if we need to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab Kitten, start doing some hunting. How's the mammoth doing?
It's 60%.
We need to get as much prime as we can get, and we need to put a storage. We need to put a thatch foundation down so we can put a storage bin on it safely.
I didn't think we were gonna get a Megalodon.
You
Let
know
alone
what?
a 60.
At the rate we were going, I didn't either.
You'd be alright.
I'll make the thatch foundation while you're hunting. Just take Chompy with you too.
Yeah, good point. Is he in the base?
Yeah.
Now I got.
Or actually, he might be near Trent.
Dude,
Yeah.
I don't need all these raptors and
I know what I'll do is I'll take them through the dry riverbed hunting. Just keep him knocked out. Do you have narcotics?
Me? No, Dark said he's making them though.
I'm gonna be making some here in a second. I just need berries.
Look in the fridge next to you.
Oh, I need fiber. Yeah, fiber.
There's 50 narcotic in the mortar and pedestal right now.
Okay.
You want to go take that out right now.
You need thatch too, bud?
There is a shit ton of thatch
Got it.
in one of these three in the end over here.
I'm bringing you 400 fiber, bunch of thatch.
And the narcotic. There's a
And the
Bronto.
narcotic.
Found the metal.
Taking your narcotics. There you go. Make a bunch more.
Yeah. I'll need more narcotic berries, but I'm sure we'll get them.
They're next to you. I'm putting them in there. Just keep.
Okay.
You just keep pushing.
You want me to be a drug pusher? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes. You gotta make up for killing Chompy.
Not my fault. Chompy got 4-shotted.
It is your fault that you didn't check the level.
Oh, he was perfectly fine attacking that level 70 something, 75.
And when
Brano.
he's level 2 and under health.
It was a Brano.
Alright, in the fridge and to your right, there's 110 narcotic berries.
Alright, I'll grab them in a minute here.
Alright, I'm flying you some,
He's
Fine.
unconscious. His pool is ridiculous. Want to take a wild guess what his torpor pool is?
6,000.
No, I'm gonna go with 3,000.
Wow,
20 or
good guess.
4,000.
Good guess. Good guess. 12,000.
What?
What?
I'm just kidding. 3,600.
Yeah, that's what I thought. They're not technically considered a higher level beast.
They're considered a large dinosaur though,
Yes.
like a trike, stego, and bronto. T-Rex.
Okay.
Thanks for the message, Trent. Thank you.
You have wood.
A little bit.
See here. How much is a little bit? Hold
120.
On you?
Yeah.
Over here. Just you can come right up this side right here. Right there.
Okay.
Okay. Give me some wood.
Let me put it in the dino. I don't trust.
Yeah, good idea.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna load these blueprints in, so I don't have to carry them. Stupid blueprints. Where are you building off of? What, right next to him?
I'll put it right here.
Oh. See if it'll let you put it like right here.
It will not let me build out here at all.
That's like
We're over water. That's embarrassing. Let's try something else.
we can build a bridge.
Alright, well, here. I'm gonna put the narcotics in him.
Okay. Do we have any meat to give this guy?
Wonder if I can put a,
Should we wait?
we should wait until we have good stuff. Any stone on you? Let's see if we can put a campfire up here.
I've got 2.
Yeah. I don't even know if this guy's gonna let me fly him. Nope. Sucks. Go in the water.
The fuck is Megatron?
Need to do.
God, man, I do not want to be here.
I'm starving. Okay, I got wooden
The
stove.
amount of berries, man. There's probably about 1,000 purple berries and like almost 1,000 narc berries on that piranha right now.
It won't let you build anywhere on this rock, man.
Huh?
Not even a campfire. Wow, that's lame. I think we're boned. What are you looking for?
We need to get some. We're gonna need to get some food for him pretty soon.
Yep.
I'm looking for, where is it?
I will go get help. Hey, pal. How's it going?
Who the fuck are you talking to?
Kush.
Why are you here?